think the three sisters are blessing us with the sun right now. Look at that.
It's cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm videoing. How you feeling, Max?
I'm feeling amazed.
Right.
Stunned. Awed.
In awe.
In awe. It's beautiful. Amazing. We got the Flintstone condos over here.
Let's see. Show the valley of Goblin Valley now, after the three sisters. And there's some really cool goblins back here. Some little guys sitting around. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This is our Sunday near Hanksville, Goblin Valley. The Rollins Inn. And I'm Tina. Y'all have a good day. So, we're in Valley 1. And here's some mushrooms. This is one of the coolest places I have been. We've been wanting to come here for quite a while. And it is so worth it. Look at all this. Hey, Max.
I want to eat this one.
Look, we're just walking around. And there's all these goblins. Look at the mountains back there. We're making funny shapes out of everything. It's the coolest. Look. Look at all this. Look at all these little goblins. Look. If you can, it's not a hard hike. You just walk around the sand. And it's cool as shit. Excuse my language. So, Goblin Valley. If you're really skinny and willing to do some crawling, there's a cave at the end of this hike in Goblin Valley. It's not a bad hike, but I wasn't willing to get in that little hole. But it's a beautiful walk to it. So, it's Valley 1, and this is the little walk to it. You go through a few rocks, and it was a couple people, but not many. Maybe a mile or so to it. A mile back. I'll try to post the details. That's the cave. So here's 3 good goblins for you. There's a froggy. See it? Rhinoceros. See it? And this one, I don't know. I think it's kind of a snail. And Max saw an alien over here, but I don't know what he's talking about. So here is the overview. Goblin Valley. Standing from the top. Also where Galaxy Quest was filmed, I'm told. Haven't seen it, but plan to. From 1999. We just came from walking down there. It was awesome. It's like we're on Mars. Look how swirly it is. Right here. Sometimes it looks like ice cream in the Utah hills. Wait 1 minute. He's waiting for me to take his picture out there. Video. There's the three sisters. Look at this, how beautiful. Just wanted to show y'all some more of Goblin Valley. Of course, there's plenty of goblins. Look at those. Look how cute. They're everywhere. Okay, let me go take. So that's part of the trail that we're not doing today. It goes down here, see? It's a flash flood watch. And we're not prepared. But it looks neat. It's what, 2.5 miles or something? But you can go
It's like
behind the...
we could be prepared. We have all
Yeah,
hiking shoes.
yeah.
We have water. But the
Goes
flash
behind the
flood
mountain.
thing is...
Yeah, I'm not risking it with that weather in the canyon, you know? But it looks really cool. Look at the colors and the stripes in the mountain.
It's amazing, huh?
Yeah. Anyway, wanted to show you the trail.